with different monkey species, red-tailed monkeys, velvet monkeys, colobus monkeys, and all different monkey species in Uganda and other primates. Uganda is always a destination for primates safaris. If you want to see the amazing chimpanzees or the gentle giants, gorillas, we know as mountain gorillas, Uganda is a hot spot for these amazing primates. Here we are to show you the diverse, all the species that you can see here in Uganda. And welcome to Wild Wonders. It's also a hotspot for birding. Uganda has more than 1,100 bird species, and of course, there are so many destinations where you can see these birds, and Lake Victoria is one of them. As you can see, this video was taken on Lake Victoria with different birds that you can enjoy, like this little egret and other bird species on Lake Victoria. It is so amazing, and we hope that we can explore this together. You would wonder, what are other destinations for birding in Uganda apart from Lake Victoria? There are so many. As this video was taken, this is just in the air. You can see these birds just in the air enjoying themselves. And welcome to Kabaka's Lake. It's where these many birds were taken from, where the video was taken from. This is Kabaka's Lake in Kampala. You can just come and have a walk in the morning or in the evening, where you can see all these amazing birds. The little egret is the common bird there, but you will also find there all other bird species. Apart from this place, there are so many places where you can find different birds. Queen Elizabeth National Park, which is the sixth diverse national park in the world, has more than 600 bird species, and it is also a hot spot for birding. And other places like Murchison Falls National Park, you can even come to Jinja and do the birding along River Nile, where you can still watch a lot of birds. Uganda is rich with diverse bird species and mammals and all the attractions that you would want to see in Africa. Welcome to this amazing birding and primates video, where we are showing you the richness of Uganda, the richness of Africa. And Wild Wonders will bring you all these wonders so that you can just enjoy and see the video. I ask you guys to watch this video up to the end, as we are bringing you these bird species in the kind of entertainment that we hope you guys you will enjoy. Apart from birds, by the way, there are also these different mammals, like you can see these amazing zebras. This is just a small part of them, a portion of a part of what you will see in Uganda. There are places like Lake Mburo National Park, which has the where you can see the biggest number of zebras in Uganda. You can also find them in Chidepo Valley National Park and in other places in Uganda. So Uganda is amazing and is full of wild games, of game animals that you can see when you are on your safari. Enjoy this, guys, as we are bringing you this diversity of wildlife in Uganda.